Here's how to fix GTA 3 on PC and get 60 frames per second instead of 30. So as you can see here, as soon as you start the game, everything's discoloured and the frame limit is capped at 30 frames. And if you try changing the frame limit, you will no longer be able to reverse because the frame limit is too high. So if you're encountering this problem, this is how you fix it. So these are the 3 links we're going to be using. All these will be left in the description, so go over and click on them. The first one is the widescreen fix. So we need to scroll down and go over to here where it says GTA widescreen fix.zip and download this first. The second one we need is the silent patch. So we go on to here, we need to scroll down till we see silent patch 3 and click on download. And the last thing we need is the open limit adjuster. So we just click on this zip file here and download. And now that we've got everything downloaded, we're going to right click on the Grand Theft Auto 3 game on Steam. Then we're going to go to manage and then browse local files. We're going to keep this over here and go over to our downloads. So we're going to go over to the silent patch first. We're going to highlight everything in here and we're going to extract it. Then we're going to do the same with the limit adjuster. Just extract everything in here. And then finally we're going to go over to the widescreen fix and we're going to do the exact same thing. Now that everything's extracted, we need to copy this into our game files. So we go into silent patch first. Then we can copy these two straight into the files like this. Then we go over to the widescreen fix. We're doing the exact same. Copy these 2 files straight over. And then finally from the limit adjuster, we go in here and we copy these into the data folder. And once we've copied that over to data, we click in here and click on the limit adjuster. We scroll down so you see San Andreas limits, Vice City limits. We're going to go over to GTA 3 limits and go over to frame limit and change it from 30 to 60. Then we're going to go on the file, click save. And that is all you need to do to fix GTA 3 and run it at 60 frames. So once you're back on the game, you can see that we're running at 30 frames. So we want to pause it, go to options, go to display and change the frame limiter to off. And everything should run smooth at 60 frames. You should be able to reverse, everything should be working. Thanks so much for watching guys. If this video has helped you, please subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one.